Thank you, sir. Now I have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Imran Ghaznavi, Assistant Rotary Public Image Coordinator, Zone 1B, for his remarks. And of course, as Justice Saab said, he is the force behind today's event and the club, of course. So a big round of applause for Imran Saab.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I would like to thank Rotary International President Francisco Zorro, Trustee Chair, Rotary Foundation, Halgan Nack, and Michael McGovern. I will call him the boss of the polio, who is the captain of the polio, eliminating polio from the world. Thank you very much, and our colleague John, and Aziz Mehman Saab, and of course our district governor, Mr. Shakil Kaim Khani. I will tell you, I will be very brief. I've got three areas to touch upon. One is how this club was formed. When I was president of my previous club, I saw a dream that there should be a club with the corporate top minds who can come together and work in a sustainable manner for the communities in need. And Rotary, we all know, we do a lot of work. And even as Justice Saab has said, Pakistan is a nation, philanthropic nation. We are the 8th biggest nation who donates. But sustainability is somewhere we are lacking. So this platform, we envisioned to have the brains who can be skilled, competent, and philanthropists who can work together and create something sustainable which can help communities in need globally, not only in Pakistan. So this dream I shared with the then Rotary International Director, now PRID, Faiz Kidwai, and I had a heart-to-heart talk with him that let's do something for Pakistan. Because in Rotary, we have districts, we have clubs, our names are with the clubs and, and the cities. And then in cities, we have metropolitan, cosmopolitan, renaissance and things like that. So we had that, let's do something. And then with the struggle of 2 years, last year, 8th October, this dream came true. And we've been successful in making Rotary Club of Pakistan corporate. And with very pride, I would like to say, this is only club in the world and in the Rotary history which is named after the country which is Pakistan. We are the first one. So we should take a pride. And I would give this credit to Mr. Faiz Kidwai because he was the one who motivated me. And then when I was made advisor of this club, then I thought that, if I stayed in the other club and keep on advising this club, it will not take off. So I burnt all my boats and jumped here without knowing that this model will work or not. And one thing which is very important with this club is, this is a hybrid club. So we have, and we can have members across Pakistan and around the world. So our footprint will definitely move on globally. And we meet face to face in cities where we are, and then we do a Zoom meeting and we come together. So this is the bond, this is the technology which comes and helped us in making this a hybrid club. And I invite all of you to join hands, come with us, work with us, see us, and feel the pleasure of working with one of the most transparent philanthropic service organization, which is Rotary International. We are very particular about our corporate governance. our compliance is as good as our SEC in US or SECP in Pakistan. So, to be very honest, this is the story, and we invite you. Secondly, as Justice Sahab has said, that we need to have a propaganda machine to promote the kind of people we have, positive impression around the world. And I see Mr. Samad Ali, the guru of communication in Pakistan. And I've authored a book by the name of Reputation Management and Crisis Communication, which has recently been launched in Pakistan and has won an award. American organization, which is the offshoot of University of Austin, Texas, United States, and they have awarded my book. And there were two books in competition. One is mine, and the other was from the Indian author, and that was also on the entertainment. But they've given award to my book as a best book. So I will definitely present it to RA President and our distinguished guests. So what I wanted to little fine-tune the words of Justice Saab is, we need to have a positive advocacy, positive reputation to build. And this comes in with transparency, credibility, and build trust. So I would like to announce here one thing. My book is available on Amazon. And whatever I earn from Amazon on the sale of this book, I will donate 40% of that amount to Rotary Foundation. So I request all my Rotarians globally, because this is a global subject, and I won't take much time to explain my book. We'll have some other time. But this is the two type of capitals, risks in corporate governance. One is financial risk management and the other is reputational risk management. One is there, and this is, I've emphasized, that should be focused on. Lastly, I would say to my friends that don't compete with anyone. Compete with your own self. Learn and commit. Commit to a cause. And once you are committed to a cause, the passion comes in for service above self. And this is the motto of Rotary. So we serve communities, keeping ourselves below and our counterparts above. I would like to thank you. And one thing I want to mention here, that our immediate past president, Mr. Shahbaz Zahid, is abroad. He tried to make, but he couldn't. And he was the one, when I went to him and said that let's make a club. And he was the first one to join hands. And then Justice Saab was the second. And that's how we built the club. And thank you very much. And we have members across Pakistan. And General Mustafa Saab has traveled from Lahore, from Karachi. And everyone, thank you very much for joining us here. Thank you very much. And we look forward for your support. Thank you very much.